me and you know it, please subscribe. If you love me and you know it, please subscribe. Wait, is that how they sing it? Right. If you love me and you know it, and you know you wanna show it. If you love me and you know it, just subscribe right now. So, let's get into this wash. Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's NanaYaa Tresses here once again. So today, I just came back from work. I just took off my makeup, and as you can see, my hair is messy. So we're going to be attempting to wash our hair at home. This is actually not my first time doing it and air drying it, but usually I do it on the weekends when I have enough time to let my hair dry. But today there's a little challenge because I'll be going to work tomorrow, so this has to dry before tomorrow. I took it out from 2 weeks old cornrows, but I was wearing my wig on top of, so now I'm supposed to wash this, deep condition it, all that good stuff. So if you want to see how I do it at home, stay tuned. If you don't want to watch it too and you know you love me, just stay tuned. Let's get going. I'm gonna deep condition my hair with this. I sometimes deep condition my hair when it's wet or when it's dry. Either ways it works, but right now my hair is already dirty, so I'm going to deep condition it in this state. Then I'm going to continue with the rest of my wash day routine. So what I'll be deep conditioning with today is my olive oil replenishing conditioner. It looks different because I have mixed in honey and my oil blends in here. So some honey, some Atara hair care growth oil, some amla oil, some henna oil, my DIY good mix, all of that is in here because, let's be honest, I don't always have a mixing bowl on hand whenever I want to deep condition my hair, especially when I'm very tired, like I'm coming from work. I ain't got time to not come mixing, so I just mix it. When it's pre-mixed like this, I just give it a very good shake, and then it goes into my hair. So let's do that. Detangling this side, and I'm going to do this side, and I'm going to be right back. Okay, so I'm done, with all 4 sections, and so far this is how much hair I have lost. Ooh. So this is how much hair I have lost. Like I said, it was in for 2 weeks, so there was some amount of breakage because of, after I took it down, I haven't detangled it for like almost 3 days now. So there's some part of it a little bit tangled, and I tried manipulating it, put it in a band so that I could take it to work. So there has been some manipulation to it. So it's kind of detangled. I want to believe it's fully detangled, but knowing my hair, it can never be fully detangled. So I'm done now. I've done all 4 sections. So before I put my hair in the heat cap, I'm gonna try and detangle again, so that by the time that the deep conditioner would have worked its way through, my hair is going to be completely detangled properly. So I know that most people say you shouldn't put conditioner on your scalp and all that, but personally, I like to saturate my hair with this, especially my new growth, because it really helps with the detangling process, makes everything much easier. And then at the end of the day, I won't have, any form of breakage at the line of demarcation. So I put it everywhere. So my head is currently inside. It's plugged in, and I'm going to turn it on by flipping the switch downward. And as you can see, there's a red light on. It's slightly flickering, but yeah, so it's on. By the way, it's not flickering like constantly, it's just inward. So it's beginning to heat up. I'm going to sit under this for 30 minutes, then I'm going to be back to show you my results. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, so I'm done conditioning my hair. It's been 30 minutes now. Whew. It was hot up in here. Still hot. Still hot. So the heat coming from my hair is insane. It's almost like I was cooking my head. I'm just gonna run it through. Okay, so I'm just gonna go and then do a very quick wash with some cold water. I'm gonna be using my VO5 volumizing shampoo. Not for any purpose, I just want a very cheap shampoo to just quickly go through this. Then I would wash that once with the shampoo, then I'll follow up with a conditioner for a cool wash. So this is a conditioner I'm using, also by VA5. It's the Herbal Escapes vitamin 5 vitamin conditioner. Yeah, like I said, there's not really any idea behind it. I just wanted to just have it, so I'm going to use this and I'll be right back. So I just came back from the shower, and yeah, the shirt I was wearing before is what I'm using to dry my hair out. So I'm going to t-shirt dry for some time. I've been t-shirt drying for like 2 minutes now. Trying to squeeze out all the excess water from my hair. And I do t-shirt drying because there's less breakage. I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm showing the inside of the t-shirt. There's literally no single strand of hair. As compared to if I was using a towel, I'll be going this way, so it's going to cause my hair to frizz up. But as you can see, that is not happening right now. Okay, so my hair is still pretty damp. It's not dry. I'm going to be trying this new conditioner, leave-in conditioner. I've never used this before. This is my first time trying it. It's the African Pride coconut oil, African Pride Moisture Miracle leave-in cream. So it has coconut oil and baobab oil to hydrate and strengthen your hair. It provides intense moisture and helps repairs natural coils and curls. And this is for natural hair, but I treat my hair like natural hair because it needs all the help it can get. So I'm going to be using this today. So this is how it looks like on the inside. It smells like coconut. It has that very faint coconut scent. It smells good. Okay. So since I have nails, sometimes it's very hard, getting my hand in there. So this is how much I'm taking. I'm gonna spread all that. See why it's trapped in there. Oh, nails. So I've learned my lesson now. So I went in with my knuckle. So I'm gonna wrap that, and it's very creamy. I like this already. I actually prefer creamy leave-in conditioners to the watery ones. I really like to use the watery ones on my new growth, especially when I'm like a lot of weeks post relaxer. But when it comes to leave-in, woke up a while ago and I just took my shower. I have my hair here. Before I went to take my shower, I have to add, my hair was still damp. It wasn't dry. It was like 50% dry. It was still damp. So I put my hair in these two braids. Okay, so I just put my hair in these two braids on the sides of my hair so I could take a shower without getting it wet. Some part of my hairline did get wet, but it's pretty much okay. So I'm gonna just quickly dress up and then come back and then unravel these twists and let you guys see it. Alright, I just put them in this morning. It's been less than like 30 minutes, so that's what you're seeing. I'm done dressing up now and I have unraveled it from the two braids that I had on the side of my head. So I'm about to just quickly rush to work before I get late. And yeah, so that's how it is. It's still not completely dry, so I'll be updating you guys throughout the day. Let me just quickly add some oil to my hair and then I'll show you how it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna just add a few drops of the Atara hair care oil. Yeah. Oops. So I'm just gonna pour that into my hand this way. FYI, this is a very thick oil because of the presence of the castor oil in it, so you have to sometimes work it very well. So right now it feels very warm. I'm gonna just target the very ends of my hair. Using the praying hand method. Like I said, it's a very thick oil, so you don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. Okay. So let me know what your thoughts are. How do you air dry your hair when you're at home? How do you wash your hair at home? Let me know what your routine is like in the comment section below. As always, it's NanaYaa Tresses, and I really appreciate you guys. We are currently at 640 subscribers. Thank you so much. And yeah, so if you have any thoughts on how I can improve my videos, how I can improve my wash day routine, my hair growth hacks, let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you have any form of topic that you want me to cover, just get typing in the comment section below and I'll make sure I attend to that immediately. It's NanaYaa Tresses up on your screen, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Mwah! Bye.